Stop, train! Stop! A Thomas the Tank Engine story. Based on the railway series by the Rev. W. Awdry, illustrated by Owen Bell. Every day, Thomas the Tank Engine chugged from the start of his line to the end of his line and back again. "All aboard!" called the little blue engine's conductor. Every day, Thomas and his coaches puffed along, not too fast, not too slow, and they stopped at every station. They stopped at Knapford, where a little boy waved. "Hello, Thomas!" They stopped at Elsbridge, where a spotted cow mooed. Moo! They stopped at Hackenbeck. People got on, people got off. One morning, the little blue engine said, "Oh, I am tired of making stops. I am going to go from the start of the line to the end of the line without stopping." Click, clack, click, clack, clackety clack, clackety clack, clackety clack, clackety clack. Away went the train without looking back. Choo-choo! "Hello, Thomas!" The little blue engine whizzed right by Knapford. The little boy hardly had time to wave. In the dining car, passengers bounced up and down in their seats. "Stop, train, stop! Stop on the spot! Our hot food's cold and our cold food's hot!" But the train didn't stop. It whizzed right by Elsbridge. The spotted cow hardly had time to moo. Moo! In the sleeping car, passengers bounced up and down in their beds. "Stop, train, stop! Don't go anymore! Our feet are on the ceiling, our heads are on the floor." But the train didn't stop. It whizzed right by Hackenbeck. People could not get on, people could not get off. In the baggage car, trunks and bags and pets bounced all around. Splish! A fish splashed into a cat carrier. Meow! A cat tumbled into a bird cage. Squawk! A bird flew into a suitcase. "Stop!" they called. "Stop, train, stop!" But the little blue engine and the long brown couches didn't stop until screech! They reached the very last station. The train had gone all the way from the start of the line to the end of the line without stopping once. The passengers were not pleased. Their soup was cold, their ice cream was hot. Dresses were here, suits were there, fish wagged their tails, cats flew everywhere. And Thomas the Tank Engine did not feel happy either. He said, "I miss boys waving, I miss cows mooing, I miss people getting on and people getting off." So from then on, every day, the train traveled not too fast and not too slow, and stopped at every station. Woohoo! Go, train, go! The end.